When working on clients with curly, coarse, unruly hair looking to receive a straighter look without using chemical services or relaxers, use Metamorfosi treatment. First, use Metamorfosi shampoo. Metamorfosi system contains cysteine. Cysteine helps straighten your client's naturally curly hair. Be sure to thoroughly massage Metamorfosi shampoo throughout your client's hair. After removing as much water as possible, now apply Metamorfosi conditioner. Massage Metamorfosi conditioner throughout your client's hair from root to end. Leave Metamorfosi conditioner in your client's hair from 3 to 5 minutes. To finalize your look, use Metamorfosi Seal Spray. Metamorfosi Spray Seal will completely seal the hair from any humidity. First, spray it on throughout the whole entire head. To create your final look, flat iron your client section by section throughout their whole head. This is the final result when using our Metamorfosi leave-in treatment.